Abruzzese lawr y lein at Watkins sy'n ffigio ac yn curo Disney yn dda. Watkins yn torri nôl. Bale at Harry John, nôl mae'n dod at Ifan Watkins. Watkins yn ei chrymanu hi i gyfeiriad y postyn pella. Andy Firth yn ymestyn a'i throi hi heibio'r postyn. Watkins yn dechrau gêm gyngrau'r gyntaf heddiw yma i Hwlffordd. Abruzzese y gig cryf, nid yr ore ganddo fo. Mae'n syrthio Jordan Davies y gwiriad dros y trawst. Jordan Davies yn awyddus i greu argraff yn erbyn i gyn glwb heddiw. 10 munud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Y gig hir gan Firth. Wild ydy'r targed fel arfer. Y Bale yn rhydd yn y cwrt. Aaron Edwards yn ei gosod hi. Harry Franklin i gefn y rhwyd. Cei Connah ar y blaen. Wild yn ennill y Bale gyntaf fel mae o'n i wneud mor aml. Aaron Edwards yn casglu'r briwsion. Harry Franklin yn sgorio y gol gyntaf i Cei Connah ers ymuno o Aberystwyth. Wilson y tafliad hir. George Horan yn penio allan. Bale at Scotcher. Scotcher yn ei chwipio nôl fewn. Patton yn codi! Andy Firth ar arbediad. Cei Connah heb ildio gol gartre yn y gyngred y tymor yma. Firth i'w ddiolch am hynny.
You know, Connahski have based ourselves around being a club that's, you know, miserly, defends well, works hard to keep that clean sheet. We feel we've got more goals in the team. You know, ultimately, we've won the game with 1 goal. We've won quite a lot of games this season at home with 1 goal, and that's something we need to address to score more. But while you keep a clean sheet and the way that the manner of the players defend and work without the ball, it gives us an opportunity to win games of football still, even when you're not being possibly as creative as I'd like us to be.
To come to a tough place like this, Connahski in a good vein of form at the moment. You know, they've gone second now. You know, we've stayed in the game for long periods. It's tough. You know, 7 players missing today. Come here and lose to one little lapse of concentration really from a set piece is disappointing. But in the main, I'm really pleased with the lads. You know, a lot of youngsters in that team who would be the first time playing against Connahski. So lessons learned, and yeah, I'm pleased with the way the boys applied themselves. Sorry.
Always happy to score, you know, and obviously to contribute to the win as well. It's a good day.
Yeah, well taken goal as well.
Yeah, need to improve on that over the season. Need to add that to my personal game and stuff. But yeah, just really happy to score really.
So all in all, a good day.
Yeah, we'll take it. Yeah.